Good evening, friends. Today I have brought into your service a subject, and that too along with all the technical dimensions, and that's astrology. And that's why only the title or the name of my video right now, a new video, shall be Miraculous Astrovision. Everyone has to be aware of why and as to how some prediction is made, and what is the basis of making such kind of prediction. Few people I have found so far in my life don't believe it. Okay, fair enough. But if they, just like I want to probe in deep, why actually those who are well versed with astrology speak something, what is the basis of it? See, our earth measures 360 degrees from east to west, from dawn to sunset. I mean, from sunrise to sunset. Sun travels only 180 degree, means two right angles. Dawn here in east and sunset here in west. It just measures 180 degree only, two right angles. And within this restricted measurement of 180 degree, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 zodiacs are covered, because on the horizon of this earth, right from sunrise up to sunset, 6 zodiacs are existing, and this is indeed the basic of the presence of ascendant in one's horoscope. This is called ascendant. Lagna in Hindi. In English, it's called ascendant, first house. This house represents the physical structure and the soul perspectives of one's personality. Half this represents, right from 0 degree to 180 degree, represents the daytime. In the night time, the rest of the six zodiacs appear just for 2 hours each, until the morning, till the dawn. Some zodiac either appears from here to here or from here to here. Zodiac may be at this junction, means ascendant may be at junction, or it's fully up to dawn, and immediately after dawn the new zodiac appears. Spherical structure. Earth is spherical, not exactly spherical. This is slightly deviation from the exact sphere, but ultimately it's a sphere. So this measures 360 degree. Every zodiac means a total of 12 zodiacs measure 30 degree each. Every house in this horoscope measures only 30 degree. Just 30 degree. So 30 degree multiplied by 12. 360 degree. So that's why only all the astrologers or the horoscope makers, persons casting the horoscope, draw this structure where sun exists. In such kind of structure, sun is shown to exist every day for one zodiac up to 30 days. Within 30 days, sun travels from one zodiac to the other one. On the contrary, moon is the fastest moving planet, which just measures 2.5 days to travel along from one zodiac to the other. On the very second day it comes into the transit position, and on the third day within the half day it changes from one it gets changed from one zodiac to the other. This sphere and the same identical structure here. We consider 12 zodiacs, presence of 12 zodiacs and 27 stars. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, then Scorpio, then Sagittarius, then Aquarius, then Capricornus, then Pisces. 12 zodiac, 30 degree each. There are 27 stars. They are called nakshatras in Hindi. We'll discuss about them later.